Hello friends, may you all be safe. It looks like this, my friends. What is open before us is some software. But this is not software. You can open it with a command. And if you look here, there are browsers. There are softwares for communication. There are also development softwares. Similarly, there are documents that you can install in one click. So, let's see how we can install all the software in one click. For this, you have to click on Type here to search. In the search, we have to search for Windows PowerShell. And we have to run Windows PowerShell as administrator. It will ask you for permission, so you have to click on Yes. This will open the Windows PowerShell window. Here, you have to type a command. After typing this command, press Enter. As soon as you press Enter, this command will start its work here. Windows PowerShell is a task-based command line shell and scripting language designed for system administration, particularly on Windows-based systems. A window will open for you here in a moment. In your use of https://christytus.com/winx. Here is an alias for invoke web request. In this, you will see the browsers at the top. Select whichever browser you want to install. Suppose it's Chrome or Firefox or Firefox. Select the browsers you want to install, and click the Install button. This will install all of these browsers. You won't have to go to their websites separately to install them. Similarly, there is software for communications, you can see them. Software for development is available here. Adobe Acrobat Reader is available for the document. There are also games here. Similarly, Microsoft tools are also available here. Next is multimedia tools. And there are also professional tools. Or, you can also see the software in utilities. As there are 7-zip and WinRAR here. Select whatever software you want to install. And, when you click on the Install button, all the software will be installed at once. And, if you already have any software installed, you can also update it. And, if you want to disable all software updates, even disables all Windows updates, this will stop your Windows from updating. But, I wouldn't recommend this option. Windows tweaks are adjustments made to Windows settings or configurations to optimize performance, customize functionality, or improve the user experience. In Windows, configure generally refers to customizing and adjusting settings to tailor the operating system to a user's needs and preferences. And with the help of MicroWin, you can download the ISO file. This command is very useful. By using this you can save a lot of your time. In the description, I will write this command. You can copy and paste it from there. And Windows PowerShell, which you have to open as an administrator. Through this, you can open this Windows Toolbox. And then you can install or update your own softwares. I hope you like this video about this little tip. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.